Amazon, huh? How's Oxy doing? There goes Oxy, broke the level. That's Amazon, huh? Yep. Over at CVX. Pumping. Yeah, watch that CVX. Remember, we had that 170.97 as trigger to go long. Now it has, there goes the VPOC here. Watch this now. Yeah, this is setting up for a nice couple of bottoms here. Ooh. There goes Tesla here. I would watch Tesla on this trend line, guys. I would watch this trend line break on Tesla. If it does break this trend line, probably goes 765, so $10 move on that. Yeah, SPY looks weak right here of 399.53. Look at that. No, this could dump now, guys. If this breaks right now, we're gonna go down. We will break the weekly pivot if this breaks now. It's a lot of wicks on the top side on 1 minute. So that's our triangle that we're kind of after right here. If you guys see it, whatever breaks, this is the direction we're gonna go in. And orbs come out in about 2 minutes. So. All right, here we go. We're about to break this, guys. I will take a short here below this line. I would 398.3 would be my short level on SPY. And same here if you want to play 399.2 on SPX. This is looking for a potential disaster here. If it breaks, we got the 39.60s and so on. There we go. Anyone grab it? Boom. Did anyone grab this, guys? This was fairly easy. I mean,
I did. SPX.
this is you should have been up by 1 over now.
Oh, I'm yeah, way up. From 650 to 8 so far.
But this was easy money. So now, we have the orbs, the orb low breaks. I don't have to tell you where we go, but we probably go to the PDO, which is 39.64.
I took my dollar.
Hell yeah, I always take $1. I mean, I still have my puts, but I'm pretty hedged now. I cannot make less than $400 on my contracts right now by tomorrow. So
That's awesome.
I can only make more than 400. So I'll take it. I missed selling the calls when we hit the wick here. I was gonna sell the 4150s for today, and those would have, what are the odds that we're gonna run $160 today?
Mm.
For me, that's not much. But if you sell 4150s or 4100s, you could have pocketed some decent money.
Yeah. By the way, good morning, everybody.
Morning. How's your weekend?
I worked all weekend. 4 days in a row, 12-hour shifts.
Damn, man, sorry to hear. But guys, I'm sorry. There's a nice trend line here. I just noticed it here on the bottom. This could be setting up an inverted cup and handle. What that means, we're right actually in it. You guys see it here? We tapped. Now, this was your handle right here. If we break this, guys, we're gonna dump. We're gonna dump really, really good. We're dumping 52 points. 52 points would mean that we are going right to this trend line here, which we talked about. Somewhere around here. Let's call it this. We'll be right on this trend line. So if we dump, that's our target.
That's beautiful.
So let's watch this. Guys, if this dumps, 39.20, 39.30 puts will pay. And you just stay in it, use the trend bar. 39.30s, I would even play 39.20s at 350 on this. And there's a huge volume.
Or blow breaks.
Oh yeah, or blow breaks, we're going down to 39.30s.
Awesome.
So let's see what we get now. Here comes another trap. So let me just show you guys. When I do this stuff like this, I will usually draw my additional fibs here. And look, just this move here is telling me that this 4002 level is going to be really, really critical for it, which lines up with my orb 50. And I mean, it just gives me a lot more confluence on it. And then here we have the daily pivot and 50% lineup. So let's see.
Momo trend bar on ES 30-day, 30-minute just switched to bullish.
Bullish.
If you look at that 30-minute candle, it's you got a pretty big pin bar. Yeah, hammer.
Yeah. Look look where we bounced from on ES, guys. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this from last night. I mean, I didn't obviously. I'm not touching any levels. I'm live. But look at this.
Wow.
Pretty fucking accurate. Yeah, that's a nasty candle in 45 minutes. I can see why why they want to pump it now. And look at this on the NQ, guys. Remember, this is our level right here. Now you want to short below, and they're not letting it drop. They're literally giving everything they got to keep it. Let's look at 3 minutes on this guy. All right, so we're hitting the trend line here, but we still have a nice bear flag here. So if this reclaims a daily pivot, you can switch to calls on this because you'll have so much confluence points here, guys. You'll have a lot. There it goes. If this breaks right here, guys, this is easy money on the call side. We're probably gonna go probably 302. Then we're gonna go to PDC here, but it has VWAP, has a trend line, orb 50, daily pivot. So wait for this 299.6 to be broken in order to take a long. Yeah, this is Q's, yeah. We have a lot of confluence points that it needs to get. So if it can get over this, that means there's momentum and power that it can go higher. So why is this black? So SPX. So SPX, so if you guys see here, I'm on 3 minutes, right? We have one rejection here, 2, 3, 4. That means the auction, so the way it's being sold, just think of it as a flea market. Hey, who wants to go higher? 4,000. Anyone want to go 4,000? They're like, nope, nobody's raising hand. 4,000. Nope, 4,000. So until somebody raises the hand to go over 4,002, we're going to be stuck here because the auction keeps failing.
Pin bars and hammers on ES and NQ. Bullish.
So now you watch it right here. There's just not a lot of volume yet. For me, this is pretty weak in terms of volume. So let's see how we do on the 6108 here.
Yeah, you have volume anomaly on ES and NQ 3 minute.
Biden redeploying people to Somalia now. Let's see if there's breaks now. We can rip.
Ricks today.
Yeah. I'm not very confident in this move up though.
Well, like I said, the 3 minute on ES and NQ, the volume on both is trending down.
I think I might get my opportunity to sell some calls here.
Oh, that would be awesome.
All right, give me that daily pivot. Come on. All right, what? This is an important level here, guys. Super duper important. I'm selling 4150s for tomorrow. I just sold 25 of them. So let's see. I just became your market maker, guys. Okay, 18 killed. All right. Now, what did AMD do? Because everybody's on. Oh, damn, I meant to type AMD. Sorry. Here's AMD. I mean, if you're interested in it, it's hitting right where we wanted it, guys, from the beginning. Look here, this was your buy on the bottom. You put the risk right below it, and now it's hitting a previous I would not take it till 96.7 is broken, or more secure 97.5. But it's hitting a supply here. So if you think about it, let me see all. So if you just connect this right now to here and here, you'll know what's going on. Connect the highs in 3 minutes, connect the lows, play the break or resistance points on either or. Obviously, I want AMD to go up, but let's see.
Yeah, I got the same levels over that 97.5 is 100 VPOC. I don't
Yeah.
think it's ever hit yet.
Yeah,
Or
if
100.
it breaks 97.5, it's gonna go to 100 easy.
Yeah, I'm getting calls. That was my level. Really previous day highs.
Yeah, it's stuck there right now.
I just made a little money on SPY going up.
Nice. There goes the Z-scaler, guys. Oh my God, this stock is so good. Z-scaler can go 155 right now. Come on, SPX. This is it for you, girl. You guys see what it did? Look at this.
Oh, nice. Might reject here.
Oh, yeah. Only if it breaks 40.20 is it looking good, and then has previous day close where it got stuck from earlier. So it has a lot of resistance right here now. The volume is not that it matters on SPX, but it's not really saying we're gonna rip. Well, let's see.
Oxy looks like it's about to break orb high. I think it's at all-time high.
So take a look at this, guys. I want you to pay attention. And my ES, I believe, is delayed a little bit. So if you look at this, we're still kind of at the low of the day here. If you look at SPX, we already bounced from here. So I don't know if it's me that's being delayed, but there's a high potential we're gonna come back down here.
I think your ES is delayed, Shorty.
Yeah, it probably is. Let's see. Yeah, it is. So it's a good spot short, honestly, here. There it goes.
Yep.
It's a really good spot there. I sold the calls on SPX, guys, here. If anyone has margin accounts or whatnot, this is not a bad spot to.
What's happening? Oh, sorry. Go ahead, Shorty.
On the puts that we sold, we're up 40% if anyone sold them on the bottom here. So the way I deal with it, I sold the puts right here. I'm selling the calls here. And then if we break this, I'll buy the calls to protect the selling of the puts and the calls. So that way I'm just kind of hedging the whole time as I'm playing this game with them. I'm up 40% on the selling of the puts from the bottom here.
SPX here. This is like the that trampoline theory that the guy talks about on Pivot Boss, right?
Yep.
What's happening right now?
Exactly. That Pivot Boss is a really, really good book.
That's literally the best trading book I've ever read.
And nobody talks about it.
Yeah, it's literally, and like it's the it's not boring and dry like a lot of trading books are. It's really good.
I think we should all read it and get together and kind of discuss it, honestly. Because
I agree.
It's probably my favorite book that I've ever read on trading.
Yeah. Here, I'll post it in the Discord right now.
Yeah, if you have a PDF, that'd be good.
Of course I do. You know me.
Yeah, I got the physical books. And good luck finding a physical book of that book. If you can, that's great. It's really hard to find the physical side of it.
Everybody, I just posted Pivot Boss. Literally, like, one of the most enjoyable and best trading books I've read in a while. Right in the main chat.
I'm reading it now.
Good. I was going to ask you about that, but yeah, good to hear.
Yeah, brother.
Look at that rip. Oh, look at that, Rippy. Holy moly. Let's go. We're up 45% on the puts we sold, guys. We're just giving money today, huh? Oh, wow. BlackRock. Did you guys see the news they just said? 90% of this year's move in the U.S. rates has already happened. Oh. Yeah, this book is pretty hard to see if they have it available.
I'm buying it right now on eBay, brand new, and they
How much is
have
it?
a lot. 1840.
Well, that's not bad. Well, they have it.
I mean, I can post a link if you want. But yeah, I just
the rates of the BlackRock, the biggest hedge fund, said that 90% of the rate increases are already in. So,
Meaning like they're done or
they're not going
they're
to be
priced in.
increasing. Yeah, they're not going to be increasing anymore. So I would expect
Wow,
to
that
be
should,
risky here. So that means they're over leveraged and market behaves the way BlackRock says. So
or Apple's getting a little rip off that. They were sideways, now they're about to break or buy.
and there goes Tesla over that, guys. This was a perfect entry here. This is what you live for, is buying these bounces off of trend lines. And there's a rejection. Needs to break the 770. Then we get the 800 push. Did Amazon hold again? It held its previous support. So it broke this one, came back. And now it has this right here. Let's see.
yeah, I got that book for $17 on eBay.
Let me see.
I'll post it if anybody wants it. It looks like this person has a lot.
Yeah, when I looked, they did not have much. Oh, you're on eBay. That's why. Is it hardcover or softcover?
Soft.
Okay.
Why, you have the hardcover?
Yeah. I don't like softcover books. Ooh. It's an India reprint. Man. It doesn't matter as long as the. There goes the Rippy.
Yeah, I don't think. Can't really find hardbacks.
Yeah, it's.
They have used paperbacks for like $100. Oh, a signed one for $85.
In general, a break of the orb high, we'd normally go long on this, right?
That's correct. With the PDC being so close, the way it's probably going to work is it's going to go here. Let me change this color a little bit. And then it would be coming back to the, this is where I would look to buy it. And then you would have probably something like that.
Crude's over 111. Pushing.
It ripped that much.
It's about to go to 113.
It has 111.28. So let's see. Oxy break hold the level. Oh, Oxy has a nice bull flag if anyone wants to play it. CVX, look where they rejected it, guys. We talked about this last night, like literally on the dot. We had these levels that it can go to this, probably reject. Exxon, bull flag. ZS, there goes rejection. Nothing. Nothing. Oh, we might come back down here. Now let's see what SPX does. If it does this little trick we just identified here, yeah, there it goes. It's about to do it. Excuse me.
Bless you.
Thank you. Man, I've been sneezing like a maniac lately.
Did you get that neti pot?
No, I didn't get any of the neti pots.
Mm.
I don't have time for any of it.
I mean, it just flushes your nose out.
No, I know. I used to have that with the, I think it was some kind of salt, saline or something. You
Yeah.
pump it out, and I had like a manual one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
they're amazing.
Yeah. Let's see if Tesla broke that level. Did anyone check Tesla if it broke? Not yet. We really need it over PDC if you want to go long. And if not, the market's going to dump with it. So right now what's happening, if you look at the market, we're hitting this demand supply zone right now on right here. You guys see how it consolidated. You're hitting this supply zone, but you're not making higher highs. So until this is taken out, market's not going to go anywhere. PDT, I don't have PDT. PDH is previous day high. PDO is previous day open. And PDP, yeah, it's pattern day trading. I don't know. Yeah, that's, I believe, only if you're below 25K, and that enables. I'll have to check the amounts and see. I don't know, maybe some minus. There goes AMD. It's approaching the level that we talked about. If anyone took that off of this break here, that was pretty good. That means Qs are over the level as well that we set to go along. Yep, that was it. So you got a nice orb high rejection here. Now, second time, if it breaks orb high, this is going to be good. So if this breaks right now on this, we're going to rip all the way to potentially 306, guys. Why are my levels getting deleted? I had the 306. Oh, no, it's not there, is it? Oh, it's right here. So watch that. This breaks, we're going up here.
Got a little bit of a volume anomaly on SPX 3-minute.
Yeah. Not a lot.
A little bit.
Walmart expects store manager shortage. All right, that's nice. There goes the rejection. So no power on taking it. Orb high also is, if you guys know, orb low buying, orb high shorting. When you see this, it's not a bad idea, because this is also the indecision candle of the imbalance order. It means there's somebody going to be selling here. And it looks like that guy was like, hey, let me sell. But you have to be careful now. They set up a trap here and then do what we wanted. I guess not what we wanted, what we planned it would do. So that could be the daily pivot that they're targeting for a bounce. I'm up nicely on the calls that I sold, so that's good.
On the SPY, you think that's breaking down, or you think that's a bull flag? 1
What
minute.
time frame? 1 minute. I mean, it's hitting a supply zone, so you had an imbalance here.
Because you got that one candle with a lot of volume going down.
This one?
Long wick.
This one here, yeah. So if it breaks this trend bar here, there's potential that it goes a little bit. Yeah, I wouldn't. I don't know. Maybe on 1 minute intraday, you could call it a bull flag here if it breaks this. I guess here. See what I'm saying? Like if that breaks, then you could call it a bull flag. But I would still not take it till this is taken out. 41.4.
The green zone there.
Yeah.
But you expected to bounce off the purple line, then down to the green zone, and then go long.
Yeah, potentially. Looks like AMD's pushing. Look wherever you reject it right now in AMD. 1618 in that level. So if this breaks right now, we're headed to that 100. Oh, nice bear flag on Google, guys. Yeah, this looks pretty bearish here.
Bull flag on SPX.
Let's see what is ad doing. Oh, ad might go here, but you see how we're weak? We're in like 400 territory. Not a lot of strong buyers showing up here, guys.
Ad.
So
I've got 285.
it's a 348 on trading it.
Oh, how weird.
Yeah, 28 was gonna be the pivot, I believe, on VIX.
SPX.
It just broke.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Let's watch for a retest. So it was like, whew. Wow, there we go. We're gonna probably hit that level right now and come back and then continue. So that's good. We're up 50% on selling of those puts. I'm down on selling of the calls, but those are for tomorrow, so I'm not acting on them. And there goes the rejection. Now you're watching whoever, I think Mr. Bean, whoever's asking, now you're watching the retest right here. Because it worked out beautifully. Maybe we missed, where it goes, but here.
Yeah, I saw it.
The idea is still the same. You come back here and then you take the long. Because if this breaks right now, we're probably headed to this level, 40-40 here. There goes the rejection.
Wow, bro, that's so easy.
Okay, well, I'm up on the selling of the calls.
Tesla just took a decent hit.
Oh, yeah. That was the area that we talked about. Really needed to go above it. We never did. Came back to weekly pivot, now holding. So below 757, probably retest this trend line. Not a lot of meat. I would not play it.
Yeah.
There goes Amazon. Reclaim that. That's a good buy here with a tight stop on Amazon. But let's see. Looks like market wants to go lower. Well, ES. I'm delayed on ES, so don't look at ES online.
I don't see how with that news. That news sounds foolish.
What's
Super.
the rates or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If we get back over orb high, would you get into calls?
On SPX, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But if we leave this area here, we're in trouble. There, we just left.
Wow.
What a dumpy off of the PDC, huh?
Yeah.
No,
That's exactly what you said.
they really did not like it. Yeah, the sellers are pretty strong. So Google must have broken that flag we had. Yep, there it goes. Going to 22.79. Amazon did it break that? Trying to hold it with a hammer here. Tesla going to the trend line here. Right here somewhere it's gonna go. The Apple break our level. No, the long level is where 148.27. They have the nice bear flag guys here on Apple. So if this breaks, it's in trouble. SPX off of VWAP.
5-minute momos are right on SPX now, but
Yeah.
not on 200 tick.
For this, it's a good run. I think we're gonna chop now because we just set the initial balances for the day here. I think we're gonna play up and down, up
Back
and
down
down
to
in
where.
between.
Go.
So the only way you play it is now is the break of this to the upside, and I was shorted below the orb 50. That would be the two plays I'm looking for. So
So high of
PDC
day,
423, the high of the day, and the orb 50 for short. That's the only two plays I would do on SPX right now. Nothing in between. You need the range.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Orb 50 is right with 4,000 level too. It's pretty good.
Mhm. Guys, I'm gonna go get a breakfast. I'm starving. I just get some headache medicine and then I'll hop back on. But there's a little bear flag here, intraday bear flag. So if this breaks, don't take it here. Wait for the orb 50 to break and then take a short. I'll be back. I just gotta get some coffee, headache medicine, and food. Clear my mind for a second. All right, just feedback.
All right, thank you, Shorty. See ya.
Thanks.